Hey guys, Several Lifestyle here. Today we're going to talk about a few ways you can make $20 pretty fast. If you need $20 now within the next 24 hours, 48 hours, I'm going to recommend some options that can get you that money pretty quick. Most of it's going to be done online, and as always, a lot of these options aren't going to make you rich. But if you only need 20 bucks, then this is a video to watch. It's in all my reviews. I like to be 100% honest, so let's begin. First one I want to mention, I mentioned in so many of my videos, is Swagbucks. Again, you won't get rich using this. Maybe $50 to $100 a month. That's about what I make. And you could do it in two ways here. You can make money on surveys as well as the trending offers. Let me just show you really quick. If you want to do surveys, you'll just click on the surveys tab. It looks the same on the mobile phone. You can do mobile phone as well as desktop. And what I like to do is just sort by the Swagbuck amount. Every Swagbuck is worth a penny. So this survey right here is worth $4, $2.50. But make sure that your time is worth it. This $4 for 16 minutes is pretty good because usually it's not going to take you the time mentioned. This will probably be more like 10 minutes. So if you were to qualify for the survey, that's an easy $4. And if we scroll down again, I'll look for the shorter surveys as well. And I could see this one might be okay. The 17 minutes, again, probably could take you 10 minutes for $2. 9 minutes for $1.25, 5 minutes. These are the good ones right here. 5 minutes for $1.25 each, and this right here is going to be worth $2.50. So you do the $2.50 here, as well as add up those $4 ones and so forth. I just already found you about $10 or $15 in surveys that you could easily earn within the hour, and these are going to refresh throughout the day. You can see this is my list that I have. And aside from that, you can also do the offers, which I find to be pretty lucrative too. And just go to the trending now. That's what I like to look at the most. So for example, if you were to sign up for a SoFi account, you could earn up to $150. And if you want to know what it takes to get that money, you're just going to click on it. Read the top 3 things to know or the terms of disclosure. Just deposit 50 bucks. This will take 32 days, so this will take a little longer than the other options. But this is just one example. You could scroll through and there's so many more options. A Chime bank account, $200. As well as Stash. This one will give you $75. If you make a $5 deposit, you'll get a $75 Swagbuck credit. Again, it's going to take 32 days, but I don't know how fast you need the money, but you can see how easy it is to earn this money. $75 probably going to take you about 15 minutes of your time to sign up for these. So Swagbucks is definitely the #1 option for doing offers and surveys such as this. Again, keep the mindset that you won't get rich doing it, but you can make pretty okay money on the side, especially if you only need that 20 bucks. The next one is just an app. It's QuickSurvey app, and I like this one because every single survey pays at least $1. And the only downfall is you can only make about $5 to $10 a day. And if the #2 thing is you can only cash out for Amazon and iTunes gift cards. But I don't know how you need that money, but if you need $20 to say Amazon, then it's pretty quick to earn this. I can easily earn $5 or $10 a day with surveys. So if you were to sign up for this app and just do the $5 surveys on top of the Swagbucks, you can see how fast your balances are going to add up. This is one of my favorite survey apps because you can make like I said, $5, $10, and you get your rewards instantly when you cash out. So once you hit that $5 and rewards, which usually credits instantly after your surveys, you can then get your iTunes or Amazon and have it. So you could have a $5 or $10 gift card easily by the end of the day. Prolific.co, this is another one. This is the #1 I use. I have it open on my browser every single day, and you can easily earn $20 within a couple days, even less than that. Sometimes I earn that in a day just based on my demographic. And if you don't believe me, I'll show you my balance right now. This is my balance. This is a British pounds, pretty close to the United States dollar right now. So right now my balance is $30. Pounds, US dollar, it's going to be a little bit more. Pending for 17. I just cashed out a couple days ago, and I already have over $50 that I can cash out for, and the studies refresh throughout the day. There is a waiting period when you do sign up, but depending on your demographic, you can get accepted pretty quick. And most of these surveys are academic related, super easy. You can see one just popped up when I was doing this video, 4 minutes for $1.33, and usually it takes a little less than that. It's a great site. Any survey you see and you can get through, you'll automatically qualify and make that money as long as you do the survey honestly and follow the directions. So if you can sign up, this is one of the better ones on the list, that's for sure. Another one on the list is Survey Junkie. This is a website that provides you with surveys, and that's it. The surveys, no offers, and you only need $5 to cash out here, and every point's worth a penny, like Swagbucks and the other ones I mentioned. And you just scroll down and you can see that there's a variety of surveys. This one right here is $2.50 for 10 minutes of your time, $1.10, 40 cents, and so forth to keep going. And you won't always qualify for every single one you click on, but a good variety of them you could find that you will be approved for them as long as you are up to date with your demographics and you're honest. So you could see too on the side that they offer higher paying survey opportunities, such as if I follow the tutorial, I get 5 points. If I had the app on my desktop, I get 150 points, so it's $1.50. And you can see if I keep scrolling, the list just keeps going on, and like the many I've mentioned, they do refresh throughout the day. So if you add this one in, Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, Quick Thoughts, and you make $3 or $4 on each, $20 in a day is totally doable. Very easy to just answer survey questions. Just do one here and there. Don't just sit here for hours, because that won't be worth your time. But if you need $20, like I said, the whole premise of this video, then it's totally doable at this website, as well as the other ones. And of course, I'll put the link in the description, as always. Next one I'll mention is Amazon Emptier. You may have heard of it. It's one of the better ways to make money online, make $10, $20, $30 a day. And how it works is that you'll just do smaller tasks. So for example, I sorted by the reward at the highest here, and there's some $7 ones which look like address verifications, but you could scroll down and you could see here that there's surveys as well. I found one that if you're a parent of an elementary school age child, you could get $6. So if you did have a child in that regard, you get $6. You'd have to request qualifications there, and you could keep going down. There's more address verifications, and if we go to the first page, you can see that some pay even more. So you have 13, 10, and we keep going down here. And again, it goes to the address identification, but you could see that they have compensation for, say, memory for science material part 3. That's $13. So if you click on it, again, you're going to have to get qualification requested, but that's not always the case. You could start some immediately, usually if it's white in color. I'll show you here. So for example, these research surveys, they have over 26,000 available for 5 cents each. If it says accept and work, then I could start and do that right away. And you could scroll down here and you could see that you collect emails from YouTube channels and so forth. So it keeps going and going. And some don't pay a lot, but you could do a lot within an hour. But again, if you get good at it, there's I have a video that shows you how to find the highest paying tasks. And if you're logging in and do a couple tasks here and there, it's not unheard of to make $5, $10 a day using this as well, sometimes even more. Okay, so that's going to do it for now. So those are some of my favorite ways if you want to make $20 fast within the day. Combine all those, easily make $3, $4, $5 each. Not a problem there. As well as go to the Lush Dollar link in the description. I have a couple more ways you can make $20 pretty fast as well. Everything I mentioned is always 100% honest and legit. So just follow through those links to start working. You're not going to get rich, but that's not what I created this video for. I just created it for a way to you to make $20. So if you like this video, check out my other ones, as well as go to lushdollar.com. I always continue to add content. I just created this channel as well as a website to educate. That's it. I'm not going to sell you any guides, no nothing. So hopefully it helped you out. Like, comment, and subscribe. It always helps me out. I'll keep adding as much as I can. That's going to do it for now. I'll see you guys next time.